are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make a flip chart stand. And so you're going to need 2 scrapbooking paper. Measurements for that is 12 inch by 11.5 inch. And then you're going to score it at 1.5 inch and at 10.5 inch. We're going to do this for both paper, okay? You need 2 fabric. You're going to cut it out into shape. And you're going to use spray adhesive. And then you're going to spray your fabric all over both of them. Then you're going to place this on top of here, and once you finish, you're going to be folding these corners like this, okay? All 4 corners. You now look like this, and then we're going to be taking those 2 booking paper, and then we're going to overlap it. We're going to cover it up like this. We're going to be gluing this down in place. Then I'm going to take my glue gun and glue at the tip edge to keep that locked in. Glue all the way to the end. It should be nice and see it like that. And then you're going to do the process all the way around, guys. All right, guys, once you finish doing that, get your Velcro. So make sure your Velcro matches the 2 soft ones. We're just going to put it right here because this one here is rough, and we leave the rough ones for the binder. So you're gonna put 2 of your Velcro right there. Go ahead and put it about 1 inch in. We're just gonna glue it down, guys. Guys, make sure you press down on it very firmly. So that's what you're gonna do for outside. Once we finish putting that on there, guys, you put that aside. And the next place you're gonna place your Velcro at, because I don't have an extra binder, guys, to do this, I'm gonna just use this example, guys, to show you. Now that we put our Velcro on the tip of the edge of that, because this is gonna be sitting on your binder like this, and this is what's gonna be folded over on here on your binder, and it's gonna be glued down like that, just like this one is, okay? So that's what you're gonna be doing. So the next thing we're gonna be doing is putting Velcro at the tip of the ends here. It puts your two rough Velcro. You're gonna be putting it at the tip of the end here, and then you're gonna put one right here too. And you glue it down, okay, guys? And make sure it's like 1 inch in. Measure here. Make sure it's the same. It's in the same position as this, okay? And then you're gonna glue that down in place, and it should look like that too, okay? And then we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna bring some more Velcro at the tip of the end here. And put 2 more Velcro, and that's where the 2 soft ones we're gonna put right here and right here, okay? And once again, just do the 1 inch in, and then place it down, guys, and center it, and then glue it onto there. And then that's it for that. You don't have to do anything else. Once you glue this part down, which is this part right here, onto your binder, you're gonna be gluing that part down like that. Just sit in the back, just like this, guys. And that's how it should look, okay? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Share and subscribe. So thank you all for watching, and we'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.